Hi guys, this is me Muhammad Usman. We are talking about present perfect tense today. What is present perfect tense? How would we identify present perfect tense in Urdu sentences and in English sentences? When we talk about the completion of anything which has been recently done, then we use present perfect tense. How would we identify present perfect tense in Urdu sentences? If you see any of these, चुका हूँ, चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं. If you see any of these, चुका हूँ, चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, at the end of any Urdu sentence, that sentence must be present perfect tense. For example, मैं जा चुका हूँ. मैं जा चुका हूँ. वो जा चुका है. How would we identify present perfect tense in English sentences? We use the third form of verb in present perfect tense. For example, gone, written, read, slept. We use have and has, have and has. We use have and has as helping verbs in present perfect tense. We use have with I, we, you, they. We use have with I, we, you, they. For example, I say, I have gone. We use has with he, she, it. For example, I say he has read a book. This is called present perfect tense.